Welcome back, Syracuse Math Kitties. This is video 4 of our module 5, which is review of linear equations. As you can see, topic 4 doesn't really have a big explanation for how to do these problems, but that is because we already actually did this in the previous 3 videos. All you have to do is you're going to be using these tables, okay, to find the slope. And then you can use that slope to write your equation or the equation of the line that's represented by this this table. All right, so if we use the first table, you will notice something. Y is 6 throughout. For every value of x, y is 6. So let's see how that would look like to calculate the slope based on this table. We know that the slope is equal to change in y divided by change in x. Okay, we're gonna pick we're going to pick 2 points. I just picked the first 2, but it doesn't really matter what you guys pick. It will give you the same answer. So the second ordered pair here is representing our y2 and x2. So y2 is 6. Our y1 is also 6. You guys see what's going to happen here? Okay, can you predict? Okay, so our x2 is -2 minus -4. Okay, so what do we have? We have 0 divided by, what is this? -2 plus 4 divided by 2. Well, 0 divided by any number is 0. So what is the slope from the first table? The slope is 0. Okay, in other words, if we substitute, this is our format, y equals mx plus b. Okay, so our m, or our slope, is 0, right? So 0 times x is going to be 0. Okay, so y equals to b. B is our y-intercept. Where does the line cross the y-axis? Well, it's 6 everywhere. So y equals to 6. This is how this would look like, you guys, just so you can kind of visualize what I mean by this. Okay, so here's our x-axis. Here's our y-axis. Okay, and what are we saying? We're saying that for every value of x, as you guys can see, there's different values of x, our y is always going to be 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is our actual line, you guys. This is our line, and that line is represented with this equation, y equals 6. So as you can see, the line crosses the y-axis at 0, 6. Therefore, our b, or the y-intercept, is 6. And again, if we substitute that in our equation, okay, we know that m is 0, so y equals to 0 times x plus 6, because the line is crossing the y-axis at 0, 6. Then we have y equal to 6. Okay, I'm going to erase this, and I'm going to see what the second one does. Okay, I'm going to just set you up. I'm not going to work through it all the way for you, okay, because that wouldn't be fair if I do all the work for you. All right, so let's look at this one right here. Okay, again, we're going to find our slope. M equals to y2 minus y1. That's a rise over run, x2 minus x1. Okay, so m is equal to, so let's pick these 2 points. y2 is 2 minus y1 is 1 divided by x2, 1 minus x1 is -1. Okay, so that's equal to 2 minus 1 is 1. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So our slope is 1/2. Okay, that is our slope. Okay, now if we graph this, okay, we can see what our y-intercept is. So let me graph it real quick. Hold up. Okay, so this is our y-axis, here's our x-axis. Okay, I'm gonna just graph these points. Okay, so -1, 1, so -1, 1, this is our first point. And then 1, 2 is our second point. And then 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 is our second point. And I think this is enough because we can see where our line crosses the y-axis. Okay, so that would be our intercept. Okay, but it's kind of between the 2 points, so we can't quite, you know, see it just from the graph. All right, but the problem is asking you just to find a slope, so you already have the answer right here. All right, so do the same thing for this table and you are done. Then come back for video number 5. We have only 2 more videos and we're done with module 5.